Hi everyone, and welcome to my presentation on the idea of student depression. Today, I'll be discussing the critical insight we can gain from this data and how it really is to the mental health of the student. Overview of the dataset. The dataset available on Kaggle focus on the mental health, specifically depression among students. Mental health is pressing issue worldwide, and understanding the factors that affect students is vital for creating effective support strategies. The dataset provides valuable insights into various elements impacting student mental health. By analyzing this data, we can identify trends and develop targeted approach to enhance student well-being and academic performance. The student depression dataset typically includes features such as demographic information, and age and gender for student, academic performance grades and attendance records, lifestyle habits, sleep patterns, exercise routines and social activities, mental health history, previous mental health issues, response to standardized scales result from the depression assessment. This comprehensive information allows us to analyze and predict depression levels among student depression effectively. Let's take a look at the gender distribution with the dataset we have. Female respondents 12,354 according for 44.36%. Male respondents 15,547 making up 55.64%. The, the demographic breakdown is essential for understanding how gender may influence depression levels and response to stressors. In our exploratory data analysis, we examined three primary factors affecting depression: academic pressure versus depression by gender, work pressure by depression by gender, financial stress versus depression by gender. These analyses help us visualize how much stress impacts students differently based on gender. Our study reveals that the main factor influencing depression levels among students are academic pressure, work pressure, and financial stress. These, these reasons significantly impact mental health, especially for those already dealing with depression. Interestingly, the combination of academic demands and work-related stress appears to affect female students more significantly. They also report higher levels of financial stress. This suggests that effective support strategies should consider gender-specific needs. In conclusion, the research highlights the complex nature of student depression, various factors, academic employment, and financial interact to affect the mental health. We call that for tailored intervention that provides target support for students, particularly those under high stress. Further research and essentials to explore additional influence factors and develop strategies that enhance students' overall mental health and academic success. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that this presentation sheds light of the importance of addressing student mental health issue.